I'm Per Simensen, yeah, and I work as a project manager here at Ulrik, and is serving this project now. The biggest part was to prepare all the tubular that we are utilizing here, the dual heat string. So we used a couple of weeks for those to be prepared. Yeah, mainly serving real well for their mounting of the dual heat string. But yeah, no special challenge with those. Yeah, maybe the weather actually. It was not good with the water connecting on this, so we did the more important part indoor and mounted the pipe outdoor. And that excites me most is yeah, the green part of this, the geothermal part, and being able to utilize the Ulrik facility also for the green change, the green shift that's coming. I hope that after this test, it's the first challenge to utilize this technology for a real project, and yeah, to hope that this technology can help that the geothermal energy can be utilized even more. Yeah.